it's your girl Za'Morian, and I'm back again with another video. Now, I've only done like one unboxing video here on my channel, and that was a Sugar Bear hair vitamins, but that was not a first impressions unboxing. I had already unboxed it like before the video, but I have this new product, and basically what this product is it's called TAE, and their whole motive is to where when like African American women who have like natural hair, flat iron their hair, you can have that silky at home like shop look, that silky shop straight look at home. So basically they have it's this flat iron called the Sonolo flat iron or something like that, and it makes your hair real silky. And then they have these like line of products, a shampoo, a conditioner, and then their third product, which is what makes your hair real silky, and it's called the caramelizer or the caramel treatment or whatever. So that's basically what I got. It's called TAE products. I'm about to unbox it here on camera for you guys right now and just kind of see what they're about. You can follow them on Instagram. I'm gonna put their Instagram up right here. This video is not sponsored, but I came across their Instagram page a while back because I was just exploring on Instagram and I saw it, and this girl's hair was like super like silky straight. I might insert a video of like some people that are on their page and how their hair looks, and then you're gonna be like, oh yeah, I gotta cop that. So let me just go ahead and unbox it. I literally just got this morning, and I was like, okay, you know what? I'm not gonna wait a few days and be looking at the box on my bed or something. Like, I should open that and then not do it on camera. So I'm gonna open this box for you guys on camera, and I do plan to do a video of me using these products, probably in a separate video, because I kind of want to just get like focus on the actual packaging, how long it took, shipping, all that. So this is what it looks like. It's just a normal box, nothing decorative, like, you know, pretty or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and just open it up and see what it's about. Now, I hope I'm explaining their product, you know, well, because they're not just about flat ironing. They're basically about having healthy hair as a natural. All throughout their Instagram page, they have a whole bunch of videos of a lot of curly-haired African-American women, and it varies from hair textures, you know what I mean, 2B to like 4A. If you know hair types and you know what I'm talking about. If not, then I should probably make a video on what is your hair type. Anyways, I'm getting off track. But yeah, they have a whole bunch of videos of them just kind of showing you guys how to use the different products, the shampoo, the conditioner, the treatment. They also have this, well, I got it. They have this little bitty jar, and it's basically you put that cream on your hair after you flat iron your hair to give it even more shine and silk. So they're not just about flat ironing, you know what I mean? It's just about healthy hair and having healthy hair. So I got my package on Black Friday, and I think it was like 30% off. The actual package where it has the shampoo, the conditioner, the caramel treatment, and then the little cream that I was talking about that makes your hair real silky, that originally is $73, but I got it for $51. And also the flat iron that I got, it's the, I don't know how you say it, but it's the Sonolo flat iron. It's originally like $100 and something, but I got it for like $119 or $102. I can't even remember. But the flat iron was not 30% off. It was like $20 off or something like that. So let me just show you guys the first thing I got. This is the Solono. I'm just gonna call it Solono, and if I say it wrong, you know what I mean. This is the Solono flat iron. This is the Sleek Heat 450 degrees. Okay, now that I think about it, I think it's pronounced Solano, but continue the video. Professional flat iron. This flat iron has to be popping because I paid $100 and some for this, so it better be worth it. And the reason why, put this box down, but the reason why I wanted to get their flat iron too is because I wanted to do a review on their products. And I thought, okay, well, I can't do an 100% honest review and show my subscribers how their products work if I feel like I had to use the flat iron too. Because I don't want to use one of my old rinky flat irons, use their products, and then post a video talking about they have horrible products. I wanted to get the 100%, like everything that they have, so I can give a full review on it. You know, so that's why I thought, you know what, let me get the flat iron, because this is the flat iron. This is the flat iron that they do use in all their Instagram videos and what they use on all their cuts, like, you know, all their clients and everything. So, yeah. Let me take out the actual flat iron so you guys can see what it looks like. If I can figure out how to open the box. But I don't want to rip it because I want to have my flat iron back. Oh, here we go. So this is what the box looks like. I just opened it up. This is the front of it. And this is what it looks like. And they do mention that it's a 1-inch flat iron. Like, it's not a thick one. It's very, see? It's very thin. It's 1 inch, so it's not super thick or anything. And the temperature, like it says on the box, it goes to 450 degrees. You guys, I hope this works. I hope it works, you know? And yeah, I'm gonna put this back in the bag before I mess it up. And then it even comes, it's red inside, and it comes with a little packaging. You know, congratulations, your new Solano. I hope I'm saying this right. Solano, how else would you say it? Solano?
Like Solano. I said previously, y'all, I think it's pronounced Solano, but continue to hear me say it wrong.
I don't know. Solano? Yeah, so this gives you like little instructions or whatever, how to use it. They gave me like 5 of these little balls in the package. Dang, they got a heck of these. Half the box is just full of these. Okay. Yeah, the box is pretty big too. It's like this big. I thought I was gonna get, I don't know what was in here, but I knew it was in here, but it's a big box. Okay, so this is the box, and this looks small. Let me post a picture right here of what the set, like the set that I got as far as their product wise. This is the set I got. Now the conditioner and the shampoo look pretty big. So if this is a shampoo conditioner, I'm gonna be hot. But I mean, like, what else would it be? Because the box is empty. Like, there's nothing. I don't think there's anything. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. So I'm kind of wondering, like, how big is this shampoo? Because it looks pretty big in the pictures that I see on Instagram. Ow. So, mind you, this is my first time unboxing this. I mean, using these products and everything. So, once I do my review on the actual product, I'm gonna be honest. Like, don't worry, girl. I got you. I can get the goddamn box open. Okay. Okay. I'm thinking that the shampoo is this tall, but it's this tall. If that makes sense. I was thinking they were all put in here like this, but they're put in here like this, so that makes sense. So this is it's called the Buttershine, the little jar I was telling you about. So the set that I got the Buttershine, and basically it's a lightweight moisturizing hair scalp cream, and you're going to basically put it throughout your hair and apply a small amount on the palm of your hand, rub it together, and add it to your hair, to your scalp as needed. So this is what it looks like here. So I got that. And then I also got, this is like the main, this is really small. Oh my gosh. But this is like the main ingredient that I've been seeing is what makes the silk, like makes it real silky, along with the flat iron. But this is the Caramel Deep This is the Eat Natural Products Caramel Deep Reconstructioning Treatment, enriched with real bananas. I didn't expect that. Okay. So this is what it looks like here, and as you can see, it's like caramel, like the consistency. I don't know if you can kind of see it moving, but it looks like it's really thick. Let me see how it smells. I'm kind of sick, so I can't really smell it that well. It doesn't smell like caramel. It smells like it smells like pumpkin. Like, it smells like sweet potato pies. My black folks, y'all know on Thanksgiving, not them Patti LaBelle pies, the pies your mom or grandma makes. This smells like sweet potato pie. So not caramel. And then like I said, these are small, you guys. Way smaller than I thought. So this is the Eat Natural Products Caramel Luxe Silk Protein Conditioner. It softens, moisturizes, and detangles the hair while leaving a natural shine. And it's enriched with silk and wheat protection. Let me pop it. It's all indented and stuff. Look how, like, come on now. Am I really worth an indent? But this is the conditioner that I got. So in order to kind of complete the look, you have to, like, I personally thought in order for me to give a 100% review, I had to have everything. I had to have the flat iron, the shampoo, the caramel reconstructing reconstructioning deep treatment, and also the this also. So along with all these products, I also got the shampoo. Like I said, I had to have everything. And this is what the shampoo looks like. This is the Carmolux Deep Penetrating Treatment Shampoo. It cleans, restores, and protects the hair, leaving it healthier, manageable, and full of life. And it's enriched with 20 natural ingredients, including flaxseed milk, egg protein, and this is for natural, relaxed, or color treated hair. So this is what this looks like. And also, all these products are sulfate. I have a hard time saying that word. All these products are sulfate free, and even says right here, I didn't know this, but it says it has no artificial fragrances. You know what I mean? So it has no little artificial smells like strawberries to make it smell good. Everything that they're using is all natural products. Like one of the products, I forgot which one it was, but it mentioned that it had real bananas, like a real banana smelling. And the caramel, like the Carmolux, or the little caramel deep reconstructioning treatment, this smells like sweet potato pie, so it don't smell like caramel. Let me just put that out there. And let me see how these smell. Sweet potato pie. These don't smell like caramel. I don't care what nobody says. These don't smell like caramel. These smells like sweet potato pie. But that's good though. They don't stink, so thank God. Because I'm really about smell. I can't have a stinky product. Now this one smells ooh. Yeah, so these are basically all the products that I got, you guys. And this video was just me kind of unboxing and giving you my first impressions on the product before I actually use the product. So I didn't smell this one either. Now this stinks. This stinks. This smells like a grandma house. This is the consistency of it. It's kind of like cocoa butter. Ooh, this stinks. This stinks. So that's kind of the smell of the products, what they look like, the size. This is a 12 ounce, and this is a 8 ounce, and this is a 12 ounce, and this is a 2 ounce. So that's all about the products. Now I'll talk about the actual packaging. As you guys saw, the packaging came in a blank brown box. It took forever to come. I don't know. I don't usually order a lot of things online, but ignore the background noise, like my dad downstairs. But I don't usually order a lot of things online, but when I do, I realize it does take a long time. This took about a week. Like I said, I ordered it on Black Friday when they had the 30% off sale, and it just got here on Thursday. But weird stuff happened with UPS, where I couldn't pick it up until today. So yeah, but as far as the products, they smell all right. The flat iron, it's an expensive flat iron, so I hope it works. You know what I mean? I hope this all comes out good. As far as packaging, it was nothing special about them. Like, it was in a normal box. Shipping, it took about a week, so I feel like that's pretty standard for a lot of, when you order things online and things like that. Now, as far as communication with me and TAE products, they did they gave me a tracking number, so I knew exactly where my package was. As far as when it was shipped from where they make all, do all this at, to when it got here in California, to when it was in like the city over, to when it got to UPS, and they even put went to customer's door, no one was there, so we're gonna deliver. You know what I mean? Like they literally told me every piece of where my package is at, what day, when it was delivered, when it was shipped, all of that. And they even emailed me when it oh, your package has been received or whatever, and they emailed me step by step on how to use these products. Because I just thought about that. They didn't send an actual paper on how to use them, along with the email that they sent that my package has been received by me, even though I didn't get it yet. It was at UPS, but they didn't put a paper in the box of how to use the products, even though they're pretty self-explanatory. Shampoo, conditioner, caramelizer, then you add the sheen, the protein sheen thing. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but they didn't add any instructions on how to use it or how much I should use or anything like that. Wow, I just realized that. But I give this, as far as unboxing and everything like that, shipping along with all that, probably about a 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10, because it took forever to come, and I don't like waiting long for stuff. And the smell of the products, they're okay. They do not smell like caramel. But that's just, I'm just judging it off of me getting it, seeing it, and smelling it. I haven't actually used it. So I will be trying out these products in another video, and you guys will see my full reaction on how that flat iron works, because I y'all, that flat iron better work because I paid too much money for it. You know, so this is just a little video of me kind of unboxing the products to you guys. And again, this is TAE Natural Products. Look them up on Instagram. When you see those videos of how a lot of those natural, like curly haired girls or kinky haired girls, coily haired girls' hairs look after, you're going to be like, oh yeah, I need to cop me some TAE product. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that kind of concludes this video. I will see you guys in my next video where I will be actually trying out these products live on camera for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Like, why you do that? Crying, you wanna be great, but sleeping until the next day. Why you do that? Don't got that much in the bank. We go out, she order the steak. Why you do that?